If you're learning French, you've probably noticed articles before nouns almost everywhere. Why do some French nouns always have an article? When should you use them? Is there an easy rule? Or do you simply have to memorize everything? The good news is, you don't have to memorize it all. In this lesson, I'll show you exactly when to use French definite articles with simple explanations and plenty of examples. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at what you'll learn in this lesson. First, you'll learn the 4 French definite articles. Then, we'll see exactly when to use them through the most common grammar rules. I'll explain each rule step by step using simple, beginner-friendly examples, so you can understand them with confidence. By the end of this lesson, you'll know when to use French definite articles correctly in everyday situations. What are definite articles? Definite articles are words used before a noun to talk about a specific person, place, thing, or idea. We choose the article based on the gender and number of the noun. French has 4 definite articles: le, la, l'apostrophe, les. Let's see the examples. Le livre, le garçon, le chien, le jardin, le téléphone, la maison, la voiture, la fleur, la table, la musique, l'ami, l'école, l'hôtel, l'orange, l'université, les livres, les enfants, les étudiants, les fleurs, les voitures. Instead of memorizing thousands of nouns, it's much easier to learn the situations where these articles are used. Let's start with one of the easiest rules. Rule 1. Whenever you talk about a season, French normally uses a definite article. Le printemps, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. Rule 2. French also uses definite articles with dates and many festivals. Let's look at some examples. Les dates. Le 25 décembre est un jour de fête. Le 14 juillet est une fête nationale. Les festivals. La fête des mères est en mai. La fête de la musique est très populaire. Rule 3. Many geographical names are also used with definite articles such as countries, regions, rivers. Let's take them one by one. Let's see the examples. Les pays. Par exemple, le Japon, la France, l'Italie, les États-Unis. Les régions. Par exemple, le Limousin, la Normandie, l'Alsace, l'Île-de-France. Les rivières. Par exemple, le Rhin, la Loire, l'Escaut, les Gaves. Rule 4. French also uses definite articles before many titles when talking about the person in general, such as professional titles, official titles. For example, le professeur entre dans la classe. La directrice parle aux parents. Le président arrive demain. La reine habite au palais. Rule 5. Another common use of definite articles is when talking about things in general. Whether you're referring to abstract ideas or materials, French uses a definite article. For example, la santé est une priorité. L'éducation ouvre des portes. Le bois est solide. Les verres sont fragiles. Rule 6. Use definite articles when talking about a whole group or a category of people, animals, or things. For example, les médecins aident les patients. Les chiens sont fidèles. Les voitures deviennent plus modernes. Rule 7. When talking about things you like or don't like in general, use a definite article before the noun. It is used after the verbs like aimer, adorer, détester, préférer. For example, j'aime le chocolat. J'adore la musique. Elle déteste les devoirs. Il aime le cinéma. Félicitations. You completed today's lesson on French definite articles. Keep practicing, and you'll start using them naturally in everyday French. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next French lesson.